How to add a profile picture on X app, formerly known as Twitter. I'm going to guide you through the process on how to do it. Let's get started. First of all, on your phone, launch the X app. After you are in the app, make sure that you are logged in with your account. Now, in order to add a profile picture, you need to go to your profile settings. Here in this home screen, in the top left, you can see your account's icon. Tap on it. Next up, you need to select this profile picture over here. Over here, you can see this edit profile option. Tap on it. Now select on this camera icon in your profile picture. You will have two options if you want to take a photo or you want to choose the existing photo on your phone. So you can select accordingly. If I choose this existing photo option, it will ask for the permission to access my gallery. So I can select any photo from my gallery. You can choose your preferred photo. You can adjust the photo as you like. And once you are done, you can tap on this use button. You can choose to publish it as a post, or you can skip it for now. And there you go, your new profile picture has been successfully added. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.